Hello, welcome to Smart Technical and Engineering. Today, we are going to explore the pictures and names of the copper pipe fittings for brazing used in building service, especially in air conditioning and plumbing systems. Please continue to watch until the end of the video. Let's get started. Copper pipe. Coupling FF. Coupling MF. Coupling M. Reducing coupling. 90 degrees elbow short radius. 90 degrees elbow long radius. 90 degrees reduce elbow. 45 degrees elbow short radius. 45 degrees elbow long radius. 45 degrees reduce elbow. Equal T. Reduce T. Cross T. 180 degrees return bend. Full crossover. Partial crossover. Straight tap connector. Bend tap connector. Cap. Male adapter. Female adapter. Y-shaped branch. Refnet joint. Union. P-trap. Crimp ring. Tube strap. Nipple. Valve. Brazing rod. Brazing kit. If you found this video useful, please like, follow and subscribe to Smart Technical and Engineering for more practical HVAC, ACMV, MEP, and building services engineering tutorials. And if you want to learn more about chilled water systems, check out our AHU Masterclass videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.